Hey everybody, Dave here with some more exciting news about our new phone system. In our last episode, Tommy shared that there's a smartphone app that allows you to make and receive phone calls from your D47 assigned phone number. As a reminder, downloading this app is completely optional. First, go to the D47 favorites on the upper left of your browser and choose Rival 5 phone system and log in with your Google account. Click those three dots on the upper right corner, choose Settings, and choose QR code from the left side. You will need this QR code handy for the next step. Next, download the Vodia phone app for Apple iPhones or the Vodia 2 for Android. Now, I want you to take this next process very slowly. Open the app. If it asks if you want to allow access to your personal contacts, tap No. Allowing notifications is up to you. If you want to be notified of an incoming call or voicemail, tap Yes. This is really important. Tap Yes to allow access to your camera. When the camera comes up, this is when you take a picture of the QR code. Finally, it will ask you to allow access to the microphone. Tap Yes, as this would allow others to hear you when you're speaking using the app. Feel free to navigate through the settings using the gear icon found in the home screen. Here you can toggle where the ring will take place when you receive calls, and the bell icon allows you to activate the Do Not Disturb, and the next icon over brings up the address book. Down below you can place calls, view call history, and check your voicemails. There is also a text feature, but we are working on disabling this in the very near future. If you prefer to text, we recommend using Google Chat. That is all we have for now. Thank you so much for watching. There's also a text feature, but we are working on disabling this in the very new. Next, download the Vodia phone app for Apple iPhone Vodia.
Dang it, it's not scrolling again.
Thank God for editors. Thanks, all.